What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another one. Today, grouse. We got 4 of them. There's 3 here. One of them made it into chili last night. We're using this blood red paduk slingshot with some matchy bands in a pouch. See you in the woods. All right. Beautiful grouse. Headshot. Back out here where there's some decent light. There we are. Bright red paduk slingshot. 0.8 falcon bands. Warrior pouch. Like 22-18 taper. Beautiful male spruce grouse. Solid headshot. Right in the eye. Gotta love it. Very nice grouse. I got him.
Grouse in your pocket?
I got him. That was a good shot. Oh, broken neck. Let's let him get his twitching out. Next shot. All right. Got another one. All right. Yeah. Drilled him. Broke his neck. Opened him up. You made it to the end. Let's take a look at the shot placement. Right there, that's a broken neck. This one got it right in the side of the dome right here. That one right in the neck, just at the base of the head. And then the one that you see from last night, when it's a little bit darker footage, that's the first one on this video. That one's a clean headshot. You can see that one very clearly in the camera. It's nicely silhouetted. Anyway, you made it this far. Thank you for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, share with like-minded individuals. And I will see you on the next one.